Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Quantitative Methods, Part 10. Which presentation choice by the fund manager most likely violates ethical standards? A. Including a table with the exact numerical performance figures alongside the performance chart. B. Using a logarithmic scale on the vertical axis to slow long-term growth trends accurately. C. Presenting a chart where the vertical axis is truncated to visually minimize the underperformance gap. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Presenting a chart where the vertical axis is truncated to visually minimize the underperformance gap. After inflation rise, how does the real return change if nominal return stays the same? A. The real return will decrease from approximately 7.84% to 4.76%. B. The real return will increase from approximately 7.84% to 4.76%. C. The real return will remain unaffected as the nominal return is unchanged. D. None of the above. Answer is A. The real return decreases due to higher inflation while nominal return remains constant. What is the updated probability that the product will succeed after a positive report? A. 0.400, the joint probability of positive report and success. B. 0.800, equal to likelihood of positive report given success. C. Approximately 0.727. D. 0.500, the initial probability. Answer is C. Bayes' formula calculation yields approximately 0.727 as updated probability. What is the investor's annualized return over 2 years for the bond held with coupons reinvested at 3%? A. 1.29%. B. 3%. C. Minus 1.77%. D. 0%. Answer is A. Annualized return calculated as about 1.29% considering reinvested coupons and market price. The nominal risk-free interest rate equals the real risk-free rate plus what? A. An inflation premium. B. A liquidity premium. C. A default risk premium. D. A risk premium for market volatility. Answer is A. Nominal risk-free rate includes real rate plus inflation premium. Which action least likely increases type 2 error probability in hypothesis testing? A. Using a lower significance level, alpha. B. Reducing the sample size. C. Selecting a sample where the true parameter is further from null. D. Increasing the variability in the data. Answer is C. Being further from null lowers type 2 error probability. What sampling method divides bonds into strata and randomly samples each? A. Simple random sampling. B. Stratified random sampling. C. Cluster sampling. D. Systematic sampling. Answer is B. Stratified random sampling divides the population into subgroups and samples from each. Which regression is best to examine portfolio returns influenced by multiple factors? A. Logit regression. B. Simple linear regression. C. Multiple linear regression. D. Polynomial regression. Answer is C. Multiple linear regression assesses impact of multiple independent variables. A higher coefficient of variation for ROE compared to peers indicates what? A. Lower risk per unit of average ROE. B. Greater stability in profitability. C. Greater relative dispersion in ROE. D. Higher average ROE than peers. Answer is C. Higher coefficient of variation means more variability relative to mean ROE. Nominal risk-free interest rate equals real risk-free rate plus which component? A. An inflation premium. B. A liquidity premium. C. A default risk premium. D. An equity risk premium. Answer is A. Inflation premium is added to real risk-free rate for nominal rate. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BISP Trainings.